Hi everyone. If you have got a client that just on Xero and then you would like to set up the Hubdoc account for them, this video is to show you step by step how to do that. So let's say for example, I have just set up a Xero subscription for my client. It's called Successful Company. And now I'm in the Xero dashboard page for this subscription. And I can move my mouse to the top left. Under the company name, there is a drop-down menu. And then you can select the option called Hubdoc. So it will lead you to a page to tell you what are the main benefits about using Hubdoc and Xero together. To set up the Hubdoc, you need to check the box to agree terms of use, privacy policy, and ownership terms. And then you can click on Set up Hubdoc. But now you see two options. The first one is I am new to Hubdoc, and the second one is already have an account. If you have never logged into Hubdoc before, and click on that, and then you can create a Hubdoc login and also can connect with your Xero login together. So if you already have an account, you can simply click on already have an account. So it will lead you to a page. You have to log in with your Hubdoc login, or you can sign in the Hubdoc with Xero login as well. And now I am on a page where I have to make the configuration between the Successful Company Xero subscription to connect with the Hubdoc account that I'm about to create for my client. So you can see the drop-down menu, and I just have to set up and then to map the company name for Successful Company. So this will give the instruction for the system to create Hubdoc for Successful Company and also connect with that Xero subscription for my client. So after I have selected the correct company, and then I can click on Allow Access. Please note, this only have to do once when you set up the Hubdoc initially for your client. And now I'm on a page where I have to create the new organization for Successful Company in Hubdoc. Normally, you can enter your client's email into this view. So once that you have entered the client email, and your client will receive an invitation to access to this Hubdoc account. However, if you do not wish to have the client access into this Hubdoc account before you have successfully configured all the system environment, there is a workaround. So the workaround is you can just make up a dummy email address to be the client email address. And then I can create a new organization. And now the Hubdoc account has been created. So let's do some initial setting before we starting to submit any document for Hubdoc to process into Xero. So you can see the settings view on the top right. And now that you can see, the integration is already connected to the Successful Company. And of course that you can connect with any other cloud storage tools like Google Drive or Dropbox whatsoever. And let's go to the organization settings. You can see the organization name here is the same as the subscription name of your Xero account. Please note that for the base currency of Hubdoc, make sure you have to make it align with the base currency of what you have set up in Xero subscription. So let's say for my Xero, I have set up the Successful Company for the base currency as SGD, and I have to make sure that the base currency in Hubdoc is also set up SGD as well. And you can set up the date format. I'm just going to put on the British one, and you can save the change clicking on Save Changes on the bottom right. Now that you can see, the settings has been saved. And for this one, because this one is the random dummy email, it's okay. Because you can, under the user tab, you can still invite your client, your colleague in as well, so that they can, based on their access right, to start to submitting the document and also processing the document in Hubdoc. So that's the method how you can set up the Hubdoc account for your client for the very first time. Thank you.